Namaste friends. So today we are gonna to learn Jala Neti, nasal cleansing with the water. So first of all you have to stand squarely, leg apart, body weight equally distribute between the 2 feet and the lean forward. Then tilt the head to the right side and place the lotus or nostril in the left nostril. Open the mouth slightly and breathe throughout the mouth. Keep the whole body relaxed and let the water pass out through the right nostril. When you have used the half of the water, remove the lota, remaining the bending forward. Center the head and let the water run out of the nose. Close the right nostril with the fingers and blow the gently throughout the left nostril so that all the remaining water will be come out. Practice in the same way, passing the water throughout the right nostril. So throughout the whole practice, keep breathing through the mouth and do not attempt to the breath through the nose. When you blowing the nose, do not blow the very hard, otherwise any remaining water may be pushed into in the air. It is important to remove all the water after the practice so irritation of the sinus and mucous membrane does not occur. Although you can practice neti in a squatting position, it is the best to the stand. If you experience the pain in the nose during the practice, the quantity of the salt is incorrect. Too little salt will be create a pain and too much salt will be causes a burning sensation. Thank you very much.